Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how do you fill a Google form without signing in, how do you make your forms not require signing when filling out. So this is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, I'm going to go and be opening up the official Google Forms website right here, docs.google.com/forms. Once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. So this is going to be the home page of Google Forms. Where in the upper right corner we can get started signing up for an account. If you do not already have an account, you can get started logging into one, and you can go ahead and then log in normally. So once you have logged in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here where you can get started creating a new form. We have our recent forms right here that we have created and so on, and now we can get started. So basically guys, how do we manage our forms so they do not require signing? Well, once you have created a new form, as you can see, by clicking the blank option right here, it's going to enable you to get started creating a form. You can give it a name, you can ask your questions and so on, and once you're satisfied and want to link it to people, we can get started. So as you can see, I already have my form right here that I'm going to open up. So this is my tutorial form for a video, and now I want to make it so people do not have to sign in. We're going to click the settings option right here. By default guys, people do not have to sign in to fill out your forms unless you select some of the options right here. As you can see, by clicking on the responses option, this is how you can manage how responses are collected, and then you can go and select if you want to collect email addresses. So basically, if you turn this on, then people will be able and have to sign in so that they can fill it out. And if you want to go ahead and limit it to one response, this is now going to enable and require sign in from people when filling out your form. So do not turn this on and do not turn this on, and then people will be able to fill out your forms without signing in. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.